One more thing that happened on the same day. After Jama Masjid, we went to the Rashtrapati Sangrahalaya and we reached there by 4:10. The tickets were already closed. So now we decided we'll go to the Science Museum. वहाँ पे tickets बंद होते हैं 5 बजे, ठीक है? We reached there by 4:50. मैं और कभी भाग रहे बस. Uncle who was there at the ticket window, he was already smiling so big at us, seeing both of us run in an empty compound. And he's like, कोई बात नहीं बेटा है, अभी 10 मिनट है. तो we said, Uncle 2 ticket. तो he said 160 देना है हमें, 80 rupees per person. And he said cash. And I was like, oh no, both of us don't have cash. We only have UPI. So he turned and he's like, रुको दीदी मैं पूछ के आ रहा हूँ किसी से. And he just took one step and uncle smiled and he's like, बेटा कहाँ जा रहे हो? Like, uncle cash पूछते हैं किसी से, यहाँ पे कोई है, उनको पूछ लेते हैं उनके पास कैश है कि नहीं. Like, अरे बच्चे मैं दे देता हूँ, चिंता मत करो. Are you sir? Are you allowed to do that? Like, I entered 160 on my GPay and he said, कर दिया क्या? एक काम करो, रुको 200 रुपए करो. So I was like, yeah, I think he's asking for more money because he's giving us cash. No problem, चलो दे देते हैं. I just want to see the museum. I want my brother to feel happy. What he did, paid him 200 rupees. He took 40 rupees out from his pocket and he gave it to us. It was such a grandfatherly behavior. He just took out 40 rupees so we don't have to like run for cash again if we need. So we have cash in hand while we go about the evening. And it was just so sweet of him to do that. मेरे को literally लगा था कि he's just asking for 40 rupees extra as like a commission thing. कि मैं तेरे लिए पे कर रहा हूँ तो तू मेरे को 40 रुपए extra दे उस payment के. This is such a sweet thing. And he had that smile on for the whole time we were there. He's like, बेटा जल्दी देखना 6 बजे बंद हो जाएगा. Like, uncle. And then we ran and then we saw the museum. It was a great experience. But these two things that happened that day was just so sweet. And I'm sure my brother has gone back to Kochi with a great impression of Delhi in his head. Yeah, this is what happened and it was not dramatic enough for you all to see the end of it. But if you have reached here, just drop a heart in the comments so I know that you all have seen it till here. Thank you. Bye-bye.